guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So this is me Kashfia and I hope তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো. So today's video, I can't really believe that I'm going to do this video because in this video we are going to talk about only 7 makeup items that you need to have before you start your makeup journey, or you can say if you are a beginner and you have 0 makeup item and you want to start and you don't also want to spend a lot of money but you want to have everything that can give you a perfect makeup look for a simple day or maybe sometime for a party and a bit glamorous makeup look as well, then this video is for you because we are going to talk about only 7 must-have makeup items, like 7 out of a lot of items, you know. So keep on watching. So before I start talking about those 7 items, I really need to tell you guys that you must need to take care of your skin. This is not included on those 7 items, but this is the most important step, because if your skin is perfect and healthy, then no matter what you put above of it, it's gonna look perfect as well. So you really need to take care of your skin. So if you want to invest, then first invest for your skin. Get a good moisturizer, get a good skincare depending on your skin type. If you have oily skin, get something that is perfect for oily skin. Get something, if you have dry skin, then get something that is perfect for your dry skin. But please do take care of your skin because you want your makeup to look perfect, right? So alright, so now the first must-have makeup item is foundation. Foundation is the most important step. So depending on your skin type, you really need a very good foundation, and these days there are lots of foundation in the market. So if you have oily skin, you go for something that is good for oily skin. If you have dry skin, then you can go for a hydration foundation. And then if you have blemish skin or any kind of problematic skin that you need to cover it, then you can go for full coverage foundation. But then for the beginners, my recommendation is not to go for right away like a full coverage foundation, because sometimes it's a bit hard to, you know, work with it. So I will prefer for you to go for medium to full coverage, because a lot of medium to full coverage is also buildable, so you are not actually losing something. Like if you want a full coverage, then you just can build it, but it is way much easier to work with. So yeah. Alright, now before I go for the second one, I'm just gonna tell you guys that I didn't talk about primer. Maybe a lot of you guys thinking why you don't talk about primer, because if you have a good base, which is your skin, and if you have a good skin routine, you really don't need a primer unless you have like super oily skin. Then you need maybe, or you have like a very porous skin, then you need a primer. Like me, especially in my case, before I start YouTube channel, I didn't use a primer, like never. I just like right away my moisturizer and go for a foundation, and I never felt like I need a primer, you know. Alright, now the second item should be concealer. About concealer, all I can say is if you have really dark circle under your eye, then go for a full coverage concealer. But if you don't have that kind of issue, then just go for like a medium coverage concealer. It really depends on what kind of under eye you have. But when you are buying concealer, go for one shade lighter than your skin tone. Don't go for like 2, 3, 4 shade lighter, at least not in the beginning. Go for one shade lighter. That will help you to also, you know, like give you like a nice effect under your eyes. So yeah, now if you are someone who are like, I'm just 18, I don't have anything under my eyes, I'm not gonna go for concealer, please do not bother yourself. No need to go for concealer, because me, from now before 3 years ago, I was not at all using concealer. Like even sometimes I feel to use it, what I do is I will take my foundation, which is a bit lighter than my shade, or maybe sometime in the same shade, I'll just put an extra layer under my eyes, and then like, you know, like blend it like a concealer, not like foundation too much blending. No, I will be slightly blend, and it was good actually. So if you're someone who feel like, okay, I don't need it at all, then don't go for it. then you have only 6 items to buy. Alright, now the third item that you need is face powder. Now also for the face powder, if you have really dry skin, then you are lucky, you don't need this step. I have a combination skin, which is like my T-zone is oily but rest of my face is really dry, but I don't really use that much of powder. A lot of time I don't use powder at all. I just will put my foundation, my concealer, and I will go out. But if you someone have oily skin or normal skin or even combination skin, then go for a powder, because sometimes throughout the day you will get oily, so you just can, you know, do some touch up and all this stuff. So it is kind of important, a face powder. Now there is a lot of kind of face powder out there, but I would recommend you to go for loose setting powder, just because this one will help you to bake, also set, so it's like everything in one, so which is, I think, in my opinion, better than a compact powder. Now number 4 must-have makeup item is eyeshadow. When you want to have like a one eyeshadow palette, then I will tell you to go for something that is more to neutral, warm tone kind of shadow, because this one will help you to make an eye look for every day. At the same time, if you're going for a party or glam look, then you can get that too. And my recommendation is either Anastasia palette or Morphe palette. They are very good in price, and also they are very pigmented, very amazing quality. If you are okay to spend a bit money, go for Anastasia. But if you are like, no, I don't want to spend also that money, then go for Morphe, because they have palette like Jaclyn Hill palette. Like these palettes are really like, you know, like a overall palette, I can say. Like one palette have everything, so go for it. And also you want to make sure the palette you are going to buy, it have like a dark brown or black color, because it's going to help you a lot. Because in this video we are not going to mention also about your eyebrow, because if you have a black or brown eyeshadow in your like shadow color in your shadow palette, then you don't need to spend extra money for your eyebrow. You can just use your eyeshadow and then just draw your eyebrow, which I have done like all my life. Literally all my life I have done this. I just use my eyeshadow black or brown depending on my, you know, like makeup look, and I'll be just like, okay, draw my eyebrow, and that's it. Okay, now the 5th must-have item is eyeliner. You must need an eyeliner, because I feel like, you know, if your eye is looking good, you really don't need to do anything else. Like your eye look perfect, you're good to go. A lot of time I don't do anything. I'll just put my eyeliner and maybe my mascara and some lipstick, and then I'm done, I'm out. Eyeliner is a really must-have item for your makeup collection, and there is a lot of eyeliner, very amazing eyeliner, good brand eyeliner, so you just can go and buy one of them. Now the 6th must-have item is mascara, which is also important, same like eyeliner. And also about mascara, there is a lots of mascara out there. Drugstore, they have amazing mascara if you don't want to spend a lot of money. And also high-end, they have also very amazing mascara. Oh my god, we are in the last makeup item, like, which is 7, and which is lipstick. Now lipstick also another like most important makeup item ever, like ever. Trust me, you have nothing, you don't want to put anything, you can just put a lipstick and then perfect, you are ready to go out. Now about lipstick, you can have either 100 lipstick or you can have only 3 lipstick. It completely depend on you. Like now you can have a nude kind of lipstick, and then another lipstick you can have like pink or mauve tone kind of lipstick, and another one you can have like a really bright, maybe red kind of lipstick. So it really depends which look you want to do and what color of lipstick you want to wear. And now, as long as we are talking about lipstick, let me tell you, I didn't talk about blush. You are thinking, girl, you are not talking about blush, what the fuck? But now let me tell you the secret of mine. From now, maybe before 1 year or 1.5 years ago, I used to not buy at all blush. Like I used to not like it. Why? Because I always was using my lipstick as my blush, and I used to love it, you know, like love it. It's like same like your cream blush. So you don't need a blush. If you have a good lipstick color, you can use it for blush. Sometimes you can use it for eyeshadow. Really, it is helpful. And also you have like a red lipstick, you can also use for color correcting. Can you believe how many use of one lipstick? So get a good lipstick, get 1, 2, 3 good color that you can use for anything. You can use for blush, you can use for eyeshadow, and then you don't need eyeshadow also. Yes. Now also I didn't talk about highlight, which is a very important step for a lot of people out there. So now if you are someone who cannot live without highlight, then buy an eyeshadow palette which have an amazing highlight shade like your skin type, you know, so that you can use as your inner corner highlight, your brow bone highlight, and also to highlight your face. Then you don't need a highlighter, you don't need to spend your money for your highlighter. Your eyeshadow palette is perfect for everything. So just spend your money for one perfect eyeshadow palette. And voila, with that we finish our 7 must-have makeup item that you need to have as a beginner or new to makeup. I really hope this video helped you guys a lot, and trust me, this 7 makeup item, if you have, you are really ready to start your makeup journey or as a beginner, and you can actually have a too much perfect look with it, you know. Like before I started my YouTube channel, all I used to have like maybe 1 to 2 foundation, setting powder, a mascara, eyeliner, eyeshadow palette, like everything is like 1, 1, 1, and I was okay with it. So just start, give it a start, and then slowly if you need more, you can just go and buy it, but this is all you need. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and also guys, if you are wondering how to achieve this look, then please make sure to check my Instagram account, because I did this look in my Instagram account and I posted a video there, so make sure to check that out. Alright guys, so it's time to say goodbye. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming video, and that's all for now. Stay good, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.